Let's go, everyone! Today, I'm excited to unbox this Ledger Nano S Plus Pod to protect your Ledger Nano anytime, anywhere. So, got all my crypto on my Ledger, and then gonna put all my ledgers in this little pod for protection. This is what it looks like. All right, let's get it. It's in this little plastic. Let me open this plastic. All right. All right. Some pink inside. Looks pretty fresh. What is this? All right. A Ledger logo. The unboxing experience. Wow. That's where the pink is from. Oh. Use care and regulatory statement. All right. I don't think that's too exciting. This is a pod though, so you could go deep diving and have your ledger be all protected. Gonna go scuba diving, take this with me everywhere, and that's where your ledger goes into. Yep, that's it. All right, let me know what you think of this in the description, in the comments below, and I will drop a link in the description for where I got this. Hope you're all doing well. Take care. See you all next time. Bye.